Hey everyone, if you've ever dreamed of capturing life's moments in stunning clarity and sharing them with the world, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best vlogging cameras in 2024 that are making waves in the vlogging community. From sleek designs to groundbreaking technology, these cameras are the tools you need to bring your vlogging vision to life. And the best part? You can grab your favorite from the buying links we've included in the description below. So, let's roll the footage and find out which camera will help you become the next vlogging sensation. The Sony ZV-1 II, your ultimate companion for capturing life's moments with clarity and style. Let's dive into what makes it stand out. First up, its ultra-wide 18 to 50mm zoom lens ensures that you can capture everything in the frame, from breathtaking landscapes to up-close portraits. Equipped with a large 1.0 type sensor, this camera delivers professional-grade results even in low-light conditions, ensuring that your photos and videos always look stunning. With its wide aperture f1.8 to 4.0 lens, you can achieve beautifully defocused backgrounds, making your subject stand out with a gorgeous bokeh effect. But that's not all. The Sony ZV-1 II also prioritizes crystal-clear audio, thanks to its directional 3-capsule mic and windscreen accessory, ensuring that your recordings sound as good as they look. And when it comes to staying focused, this camera has you covered with real-time autofocus tracking and IAF technology, ensuring that your subjects remain sharp and clear even in dynamic shooting situations. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiastic beginner, the Sony ZV-1 II is your go-to camera for capturing life's precious moments with unparalleled clarity and precision.
Get ready to capture your adventures like never before with the GoPro Hero12 Black. Let's dive into what makes it the ultimate action camera. First up, experience unparalleled image quality with high dynamic range HDR technology for both videos and photos. Whether you're in bright sunlight or shadowy environments, HDR captures every detail with true-to-life colors and precision, delivering dynamic footage that stands out. With 5.3K video resolution, the Hero12 Black offers an astonishing 91% more clarity than 4K and a whopping 665% more than 1080p. Plus, you can snap stunning 27MP photos or extract high-quality stills of up to 24.7MP from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. Say goodbye to shaky footage with Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. This cutting-edge technology ensures buttery smooth footage in any situation, whether you're biking, skiing, or chasing your pets through the park. And with Hypersmooth Auto Boost, you'll get even more stabilization without sacrificing image quality. Built tough and waterproof to 33 feet 10 meters, the Hero12 Black is ready for any adventure. Its rugged design can withstand mud, snow, and water, while the water-repelling lens cover eliminates lens flare for crystal-clear photos and videos. With the GoPro Hero12 Black by your side, you can capture every thrilling moment with unmatched clarity and stability. Say hello to your new adventure companion, the Sony a6700, the ultimate camera for capturing stunning visuals and unleashing your creativity. Let's dive into its remarkable features. First up, the a6700 boasts a powerful 26MP APS-C format Exmor-R back-illuminated CMOS sensor, delivering unparalleled image quality with crisp detail and vibrant colors. Powered by the cutting-edge Bionz XR processing engine, this camera ensures exceptional performance and superior image processing, allowing you to capture every moment with precision and clarity. Equipped with a dedicated AI processor and real-time recognition technology, the a6700 offers accurate subject tracking, ensuring that your subjects are always in focus and perfectly captured, even in challenging conditions. Experience the ultimate in video quality with 4K/60p recording capabilities and 6K oversampled footage in 4:2:10-bit, giving you unparalleled clarity and color depth. Whether you're shooting in long GOP or all-intra formats, the a6700 delivers stunning results every time. And for those high-action moments, the a6700 offers high frame rate 4K 120p recording, allowing you to capture smooth and detailed footage of fast-moving subjects with breathtaking clarity. With its advanced features and unrivaled performance, the Sony a6700 is the perfect tool for photographers and videographers alike. empowering you to push the boundaries of your creativity and capture the world in stunning detail.
The DJI Osmo Action 4, the ultimate action camera designed to capture all your adventures with stunning clarity and precision. Let's explore its incredible features. First up, the Osmo Action 4 is equipped with a 1.3D sensor and advanced low-light imaging capabilities, ensuring that every shot is crisp and detailed, even in challenging lighting conditions. Experience professional-grade color performance with 10-bit D-Log-M color mode, which offers over 1 billion colors and a wider dynamic range for stunning footage that's ready for editing. With 4K 120 FPS recording capabilities, you can capture buttery smooth slow-motion footage that brings every moment to life in stunning detail. Enjoy an immersive viewing experience with the ultra-wide 155-degree FOV, which provides a perspective close to what the human eye sees, allowing you to capture more of the action in every frame. Thanks to its deep freeze-resistant design and long-lasting battery life, the Osmo Action 4 is built to withstand even the most extreme conditions, ensuring that you never miss a moment of the action. With its waterproof construction, the Osmo Action 4 can dive up to 18 meters underwater, allowing you to capture breathtaking footage beneath the surface. Plus, with dual full-color touchscreens and a magnetic quick-release system, the Osmo Action 4 offers intuitive controls and effortless mounting options for easy operation in any environment. And with innovative features like 360-degree horizon steady stabilization and horizon balancing, you can capture smooth, level footage no matter how extreme your maneuvers. Get ready to take your adventures to the next level with the DJI Osmo Action 4. Whether you're skiing down a mountainside, surfing through the waves, or exploring the great outdoors, this camera has everything you need to capture every moment in stunning detail.
The Panasonic Lumix GH6, the ultimate camera for professional photographers and videographers. Let's dive into its groundbreaking features. First up, the Lumix GH6 boasts higher resolution and bit rates than ever before, thanks to its 25MP sensor and Venus engine with 100MP handheld high-resolution shot. Output: capture stunning detail and clarity with 5.7K 60p and 4K 120p 10-bit video, all with no time limits, allowing you to unleash your creativity without constraints. Experience incredible image quality and versatility with internal recording in Apple ProRes, 422 HQ and 422, delivering high image quality at low compression. With pre-installed V-Log/V-Gamut and plus 13 stops of dynamic range plus dynamic range boost, the Lumix GH6 ensures your footage looks stunning in any lighting condition. Say goodbye to shaky footage with the Lumix GH6's powerful 5-axis dual IS2, providing up to 7.5 stops of correction, even in low light. Whether you're shooting handheld or on a tripod, you can trust that your footage will be smooth and stable every time. Experience the next level of professional quality imaging with the Panasonic Lumix GH6. With its unmatched resolution, versatility, and stability, this camera sets a new standard for excellence in the world of photography and videography. And that wraps up our rundown of the top 5 best vlogging cameras in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more awesome content.